Sometime we need to share big files to laptop from iPhone. But we cannot share a big size video file to laptop using iTunes. However, we need to share big video file from iPhone. The big files cannot share with emails and other sharing apps. If you have tried, please tell me. So how to share a big size video file from iPhone to laptop or other device? Don't worry, always we have a solution. This is the iPhone. I need to share a video file to laptop. The video file is a screen recorded video. To do this we need a VLC player for iPhone. Use App Store to download VLC player. This is the video file I like to share to my Windows laptop. Save the video file on VLC player file location. Open the VLC player and you will see your video file in here. Click the network icon. Enable sharing via Wi-Fi. If you can't enable this, you should connect your iPhone and laptop same Wi-Fi network. After enable this Wi-Fi sharing, you will see our IP address. This is the location we can find this video. If you have more than one videos or videos shown in this IP location, on your laptop, open the web browser what you like to use. I am using Google Chrome browser for this tutorial. Now type the IP address on your address bar. Now you can see your video files will appear here. You can download this videos from clicking on the video file. This is the tutorial. Hope you learned something. Is it work or not? Comment me below. See you again.